Stephanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about all about health in your face because health is attractive. So we're gonna be talking about carrot face mask and the benefits of carrots and why should we put it in our face. It contains vitamin A, which is an antioxidant, and also contains vitamin K, which is also an antioxidant, which protects the skin by limiting the production of free radicals and can damage skin cells. It can do a lot for the health and the appearance of the skin and reduce the signs of aging. Vitamin A also treats acne. As you've heard, maybe if you don't know out there, this medication called retin A, vitamin A, because it has vitamin A in it. When people with acne, they put it on their face. Vitamin A helps a lot with acne. So vitamin C reduces the appearance of brown skin and brown spots and other sun damages. It helps boost healthy collagen production, which causes firmer skin. It reduces inflammation and irritation. It fades post breakouts, marks by improving skin natural's healing responses. It increases the effectiveness of your sunscreen and boosts your skin defenses against UV lights. Potassium keeps the skin cells hydrated and moisturized. So dark spots. Now, a study in the University of Western Australia gave a group of men enough beta carotene to lightly show a different appearance of color in their skin, of their skin tone. Now, women rated men that ate carrots found them more attractive. It was a higher rating for men that ate more carrots, but these were supplements than the pictures they had before when they didn't have the supplements of carrots. Now, carrots color skin might not sound very attractive, and yes, study shows that people with the yellow or red hue to their skin looks more healthier and also are judged as being more attractive. And so I'm going to be doing a carrot face mask. That way it could hydrate your skin and make your skin glow with natural ingredients that you just could use around your house that you just apply on your skin. So after the carrot face mask, I wash my face, and now you can notice some coloration of the carrots, meaning that my skin absorbs some of that vitamin A that was on the carrots. And so now you could tell that there's some coloration. It gave you that nice glow. I think you should only have it on for 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and wash your face. Don't overdo it. Do it at least once every 2 weeks or once a week. This face mask is really good, and I think that um, don't overdo things. It left my skin beautiful, but some coloration is still there. That's gonna leave with time, and maybe tomorrow will be clear without this discoloration. Thank you for watching my video, and give it a thumbs up and press subscribes and the little bell. Thank you so much. Bye.